Hello students, Vande Mataram. Today we are going to learn about voice, and in this we are going to learn about how to change interrogative sentences into passive voice. Okay, so first starting with helping verb and WH questions. So friends, interrogative sentences has two types. First is yes no type questions where you ask questions with helping verb. At the starting you have to use their helping verb, okay, which we called also auxiliary verb. There is three types of auxiliary verb. First primary, second modal, and third marginal. But here we are going to learn about primary auxiliary verbs. And which are the primary auxiliary verbs? So you can see here the primary auxiliary verb, that means where we use to be form, to have form, and to do form. Okay, so in to be form we have used there am, is, are, was, were. To do, to have form has, have, had, and to do form do, does, did. Okay, when we change do, does, did into passive form, okay, in the passive voice, there we use am, is, are, and did as was, were when we change into passive voice. Okay, and here is also modal auxiliaries. So here in modal auxiliaries, questions start with shall, will, should, would, can, could, may, might, must. And second is WH questions and WH family, which we also call double interrogative. So here questions start with WH questions like who, what, when, where, why, how, when, whom, which, how many, how much, etc. And when we ask question who with who, at that time when we change active voice into passive and question start with who, there we use by whom. Students, here is the structure of first is starting with helping verb, and second is starting with WH question. Okay, helping verb plus subject plus verb plus object plus other words. And when we change into in passive voice, we change it like this: helping verb depended on object. Okay, that means object of active voice. Okay, then extra words if there is need of extra like be and been. Okay, and third form of verb plus other word plus by plus subject plus other word and question mark. And second is starting with WH question. WH question plus helping verb plus subject plus verb plus object plus other words plus question mark. Now when we change into passive voice, same WH question we put there, then helping verb plus object, extra if there is extra words like be and been and being if we need there as a depended on the tense. Third form of verb plus other word plus by plus object and the question mark. Now we have to see here some examples. You can see the examples. The first example is start with do. It is the helping verb, and you know very well do and does is used in simple present tense. So when we change this tense into passive, there we use helping verb is am, are, but dependent on object. You can see, do you play cricket? Do you play cricket? And when we change into passive voice, first we recognize object and subject. So what is object in this example? Cricket. So uh, dependent on this object who becomes subject here. Okay, cricket. So depend on subject we put here helping verb is cricket. Third form of verb played plus by plus object which is subject of active voice. Now second example. Does she eat her meal? So what is object in this sentence? Her meal. And what is subject in this sentence? She. Verb eat. So third form of it is eaten. Okay. Does her meal. On the dependent of this object, we use helping verb is here. Is her meal eaten by her? Now third example. Did we write answers in the classroom? Okay. Now here we can see it is did, and did is using in simple past tense. So when we change into passive voice, here we use helping verb was and were, but on the dependent of subject of passive voice, and this is the object of active voice. Okay, now say, did we write answers? What did we write? Answers. So what is object here? Answers. What the answers written? Third form of write, written in the classroom by us. We changes into us here. Okay. Now fourth example. Has she informed your teacher about her sickness? Now has. Your teacher is object here. So as the dependent of this object, we put here helping verb has. Now has and third form of verb. Which tense is this? Present perfect. So when we change present perfect into passive voice, we add here been with third form has been informed. You if you have to remember that. Has your teacher been informed about her sickness by her? Next example, which is starting with have. It is also used in present perfect. Have you eaten the ice cream just now? Have you eaten the ice cream? So object is the ice cream, and the dependent of this object the ice cream, here we use helping verb has. Has the ice cream been eaten by you just now? Had you phoned the police before the rumors spread? Had. Now, you can see had. So, which tense is this? Had and third form of verb past perfect. Now, we change it into passive voice. Okay, remember had is using with all the objects. Here is no confusion about have and has like here. So you have to put had if had is starting with question had. Had the police. You phoned the police. So now we change had the police been phoned by you before the rumor spread. Now question start with like model auxiliaries. Okay, you can see here. Will the farmer have saved the boy in Garhwal? The farmer have saved the boy in Garhwal. Okay. In model auxiliaries, which model auxiliary is used there? You have to use that model auxiliary exact in passive voice. Okay. You can say, will the farmer have saved the boy in Garhwal? So when you change into passive voice, we use that model auxiliary same here. Will the boy in Garhwal have been saved by the farmer? Okay, now next. Might he have saved the beggar's life? Same modal luxury we use here. He have saved the beggar's life. Might the beggar's life have been saved by him? Okay,